Okay, so we continue. Now, if you look at it, you have from here average, see maximum, and then minimum. But the reference particular column is I, from I2 to I463. Let's check here too. We have average from what? J, J2 to J463. Same here. Okay, so this is a mistake we did from the previous work. So let's quickly correct it. So it has to be J here and then J there. That should give us a correct figure here. Beautiful. Then we come here, it has to be J again, J here, and then J there. And then we are looking for the max, sorry, the mean, not the max. So I'll correct it. And then we have it, boom, this is our value. So here it should be max, here should be average, all from the J column, and here it should be mean. Now let's go and do this one. We have K, K is here. So if I decide to drag, in order not to repeat some of the values, I will come here to come and change this one to max and select my max. And then I will change this one to K because we are referencing the column K. And it's fine here. And then I get here also, it's supposed to be mean. We are working on the mean, not the average again. So you can call it maybe a lazy approach, but then sometimes it saves time. So I have my mean here, and the column we are looking at is not M, we are looking at K. So K here, and then K there. Enter, and I have it. Now, so when you click here, you should see the average, and the reference should be K. The reference range of cells should be KK, not any other. The same thing here, the same thing here, the same thing there. Here, I. So we are done with the maximum, minimum, and the average for the three population shares. Now, the next up on the slide, we are asked to go and find or create three additional features, which is the word base n rounded, word base r rounded, and then word base u rounded. So I've already created those, inserted those columns, and I've named them already, started here with some calculations. So let's go into it and then see what we have here. So here we have our rounded, word base n rounded. Look at the formula here. Let me double click so it comes. So you use the rounded, then you choose the column L2, and then you say you want it rounded to 0. That's what we are advised to do. So quickly you can see that this one also follows the same way. This also follows the same way. But then the cells that we are referring to is where we have the word base n. So look at it. Look at here, we have L2. L2 is where we have the word base n. And if you go to this one, is what? P2. If you scroll here, you see it, and so on and so forth. So let's come back here. And then now that we have done the three, I will highlight on them. And then I will double click here to autofill for me. And it's done. Okay, so we are still having some value errors over here. We'll see what that is about.